About this item power specification, input, AC 100-240V 50/60 Hz, output, DC 4.6V 900 mAh, cable length, 45, 115 centimeters. Product compatible only compatible with Nintendo New 3DS XL, New 3DS, 3DS XL, 3DS, New 2DS XL, New 2DS, 2DS XL, 2DS, DSi XL, DSi. Not compatible with Nintendo DS and DS Lite. Perfect design adapter charger features a fold-away plug, flexible to turn to fold, small and lightweight accessory, and easy to stay in the pocket to take everywhere. Reliable and safe intelligent IC chip, automatically recognize your consoles and charging scene, and maximize the output current within 100-240V. Powerful and effective charging like the original without a worry. Customer service, we offer 18 months quality assurance for all products, providing lifelong technical support. If there are any problems, please feel free to contact us. Content, 1X charger. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item power specification, input, AC 100-240V 50/60 Hz, output, DC 4.6V 9